At the Z-Smart Company, we are working to provide consumers devices that they can easily control with their smartphones. The SmartCord is our first product. Consumers are passionate about their phones, some spending over $1,000 per year on their devices. To give the consumers a simple way to interface these phones with their surroundings, we developed the SmartCord. The SmartCord is a 1200 watt extension cord that consumers can control manually or from their smartphone over a Bluetooth connection. And just like any extension cord, you simply plug one end into the wall, and in the other side, as long as it doesn't exceed 1200 watts of power, you plug in your electronic device. Now you can either use the manual switch, a simple touch button, or you can use an app on your smartphone, press a button, and power is controlled to whatever electronic device you have plugged into it. And because we use the Bluetooth capability of your smartphone, a one-time pairing will have to be done by holding down the small Bluetooth button on the switch. After holding it down for 3 seconds, you will see the red light flash, which means that if you go to your phone and access the Bluetooth menu that is generally in your setup, it's a little different for each phone. You will scan for devices, find the Z-Cord 1, select it, and your phone will now have a relationship with the cord. Pairing will be complete, and you will now be able to control the cord with the phone. It's a pretty standard one-time Bluetooth connection, so as long as you leave the cord plugged into the wall, you'll be able to access it with your phone. And by simply pressing the button on the app, you will be able to turn the power on and off. Because it's Bluetooth, it does not require line of sight, so you can go on the other side of the wall and the phone will still be able to control the cord. And depending on the environment, Bluetooth range is around 30 feet, but it can also extend up to 70, even 100 feet. It really depends on the environment, the type of phone you have, how much signal strength that it's able to broadcast. We have apps for the iPhone, Android, BlackBerry, and Windows platforms, but you don't even need an app because our technology uses the audio profiles in Bluetooth. You can download our signals as a WAV file and play them on an MP3 player, or you can even use our web-based apps. This does mean, though, that you can't have your phone on mute when you're trying to control our product. And speaking of control, what are some things that you could use our SmartCord with? There's a space heater, a humidifier, a cool lamp, dorm lighting for those who don't have a Wi-Fi network, special artwork, a fish tank, Christmas tree lighting, and my favorite, a fan for your dog. There are even more applications for the handicapped or those with limited mobility. But if you're like most Americans, you'll simply enjoy the ability to stay on the couch and control the world around you.